Hi there. Welcome to One Pager Campaign AI. I wanted to give you a quick overview of our application Campaign AI. And the real idea behind this application is that for sales and marketing teams who are trying to run campaigns, it typically takes a long time for you to plan the campaign, set up the email infrastructure for cold outreach, find the contacts, and then drop the campaign and then follow up on all the positive replies and anybody who's showing some engagement and signs of life. So within Campaign AI, what we do is we give you a one-stop shop for all of these pieces, so you don't have to be jumping from tool to tool. So let me get started. First of all, when you come in here, it's going to show you total number of campaigns you set up, total number of contacts you have, and what agents are running to get your campaigns moving forward. So coming in here, as we know, the hallmark of an effective campaign is the quality of the list. So we give you a way to import contact list from your CRM system or by importing CSV files. We also give you a way to do people search or contact search in here, where you can search your contacts by company domains, geography, and their job titles in your ICP. We also give you a way to type in your Sales Navigator query URL and then be able to generate a list of all of the folks that are found in that query. You don't have to have a Sales Navigator account. You can just do it in here. You'd be able to then save each of the contact of interest and be able to then save it into Campaign AI contact list that will show up in your contact list in Campaign AI. So once you've done that, the next piece I want to talk about is domain management, where if you are running cold outreach, as you might know, sister domains are pretty much an essential part of the strategy. So you'll have to come in here. You can easily just buy domains right from here. In addition, buy email accounts and then be able to even submit emails once you've purchased them using our system. You can submit them for warm up, and that takes about 10 to 12 days for the warm up to be ready. And then your email infrastructure is ready for you to drop the campaign. So far we talked about finding the right list. Second is setting up the domain infrastructure. Now we go into campaigns. In this campaign section, you can first of all come in here, just type in a simple prompt. The prompt could be something like create a marketing campaign targeting VP of sales who are looking to shorten their sales cycle and so on. And then provide a name and be able to take it to the next step. And our system will guide you to generate a campaign with detailed steps for email and LinkedIn. You can also switch to the form view. In this form view, you can be a little bit more granular. You can type in the campaign name, the product URL that you want to promote, the offer URL, maybe case study, and then any customers you might have in place already. And our AI will take into account all of these artifacts and be able to generate a very tightly defined campaign for you. The other piece we have here is we give you a stepper. In the stepper, you can put in your email address, and let's say I want to type in stripe.com and I want to analyze with AI. So right now what it's going to do is it's going to examine the URL, and it is going to essentially generate the content structure from your website. It's going to extract the business insights, and now it's just going to generate a prompt that it will submit to OpenAI after your approval of the prompt. So let's give it another few seconds. Boom, boom, boom. All right, there we go. So prompt it generated is as follows. You can see it in here. And then it also found all the information that we wanted to have in place before we can submit this to our system and generate the campaign steps. So you can follow through that one, pretty straightforward. So far I've talked about list building, talked about domain setup, and then I talked about how you would use one of the three methods to set up the campaign. And the result is going to be a campaign that gets created in here. And in here, I can come in and add the contacts that I may have added in here. It's pretty straightforward. And once I've done that, I can just start reviewing the contact response, the list that I'm dropping. I'll be able to see how they're responding to my campaign, and be able to then view the email opens, see if there are any positive replies, and then be able to take it to the next level by following with the phone call and so on. So hope this gives you a good idea of what we're trying to do here with Campaign AI. Just to recap, using one pager Campaign AI, you can set up campaigns pretty quickly by first defining the list, building the list, extracting the information from Sales Navigator, and so on. Step number two, you can set up a particular domain as a sister domain or multiple sister domains for your campaign. And in addition, you can by email addresses, you can set them up for warm up right from here. Then you can go ahead and drop the campaign, and then you can also execute through all of the follow up steps in terms of either responding via email, LinkedIn, or phone call. So hope that helps. We look forward to engaging with you when you come up to one pager Campaign AI, which is kampaign.ai, campaign.ai, with campaign with a K. We hope to see you here, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.